So how you solve this? First, what you need to do here, you need to put the bases the same. 8 to the power of 2x equal. How you put the bases the same? Okay, we know that 64, we can write it as is the square root of the square of 8, that gives you 64. So 8 to the power of 2, that gives you 64. Okay, we're doing this for one purpose, to just make the base look the same. So once the base are the same, what you do now, you can drop it away. 2x equal 2. Then you divide 2, you do on the other side as well. Let's cancel out. X equal 1. That is the final answer. Thank you.